In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to move your Cosmos from your exchange to your Ledger Cold wallet and then back to the exchange. Here's what the steps look like. We're going to skip the buying selling part since I'm assuming you already know how that works. But if you don't, no worries, you can check out the buy and sell video at any time. The main focus here are the transfers. In this example, I'll be using a Ledger Nano S Plus, but the steps are pretty much the same for the Nano S, Nano X, and other Ledger Cold wallets. I'll be using Kraken as the exchange since it's one of the most popular centralized exchanges in North America. Now, that said, the exchange you use doesn't really matter. The process is basically the same for all of them. What does matter is making sure that you have the correct wallet address and correct network, because sending crypto to the wrong address could mean losing it forever. So the example we have here is the Radium token that's running on the Solana network in Kraken. And we want to transfer it to the Ledger Live, so we have to ensure that we're using the same network. There are 3 security requirements that you must follow before doing the transfers. Number 1, make sure your operating system is up to date. And if you can't update it because your hardware is too old, maybe it's time to upgrade the hardware. Number 2, update all software. In this case, specifically, we're going to be using Chrome to connect to the exchange, the Ledger Live software to connect to your ledger. And if you have an antivirus, make sure your virus definitions are up to date. And last but not least, ensure that your Ledger firmware is also running at the latest version. Okay, let's start. First thing you want to do is have both Kraken and Ledger Live softwares open. So I have Kraken in my Chrome and I have Ledger Live software open. So first thing I want to do is I'm going to click on my Ledger, go to the apps catalog, look for Cosmos, install it. Since Cosmos has its own wallet, it means it's a coin, it's not a token. It's running on its own native network. It's installed. I'm going to add the account. Press both buttons on the Ledger to open the Cosmos app. Okay, so now I'm going to add the first account. Perfect, it was successfully added. Now it took me directly to accounts. I'm going to click on Cosmos, click receive, continue, copy this address, and go back to Kraken. So I want to withdraw Cosmos. I'm going to input the withdrawal address. There is no memo. And I'm going to call this Ledger Cosmos. Add, withdrawal. Now I have to confirm it by email. Here we go. Confirm. Okay, it was approved. So go back. I'm going to click on the purple number here to transfer the full amount. Click review. And then just validate the information. So it's Atom, the number of coins, the transaction fee, the network, and the address. Everything looks good, so I'm going to confirm. Okay, and as you can see, we received the coins here. It only took a few seconds. Now it's time to transfer them back to the exchange. So I'm going to click on Cosmos, and I'm going to click on send. I have to enter the address. So I'm going to click on deposit on the Kraken side. Same thing, look for Cosmos, grab the address. It doesn't give me any tag, so I can skip it. So I'm going to press on don't add tag. And I'm going to select send max. I'm going to press on that button. Click continue. And we can validate all the information again. CHAF, continue. And now the final confirmation on the Ledger device. So I'm pressing right, send from to. That's good. Approve. Press both buttons to approve it. So the transaction was sent. Now let's see if Kraken received it. I'm gonna press on activity. Refresh. Here we go. It's pending. It'll take a few seconds to clear the transaction. Cosmos is pretty fast in general. So please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them.